second evening down in South Carolina, Cedar Knoll Lodge. Hayward just dropped me off. We got back into Rhino Blind. Same place we've sat since we started. We was there last evening, and he's here this morning. Seen a lot of activity. I want to give it one more evening before I move, because I really believe we're going to see a whole boar hog out here this evening. I got Daddy's old 99 Savage with me. Again, this is my first hunt of the year. I'm going to start it off with a bang. Lord willing, the creeks don't rise. I'm going to carry Daddy's old trusty 99 with me the entire season this year as a tribute to the man that taught me so much. We're down here in Cedar Knoll Lodge, South Carolina, folks. All I can say is you've seen how many hogs come in here on me right here. It was getting late. I didn't know if I was going to get a shot at it. I finally picked the one I wanted, and I put the hammer down. I'm going to go up here. Some of the hogs are still up here. They came back after I shot that big rascal. I'm going to go up here and look at him. Y'all come on, tag along with us. Hayward, thank you, brother. You said you had hogs, and brother, by God, you got hogs. Pick. Oh, Lord, what a big old boar. Oh, you're big. What a big old boar. That sucker got tuskies, folks. Daddy Savage. I don't need this no more. What a awesome hog. It's a big rascal. Hayward, thank you, my friend. All I can say is, you said you had the game down here in Cedar Knoll. We've been down here a lot of times, folks, and you can see by the footage. Cedar Knoll Lodge, Hayward Simmons, Low Country, South Carolina. A lot of game, and it's just a fun experience. The food's great, the hospitality's excellent, the staff, the lodging, everything. And Hayward, this is what we came down here for, right? It's a big old rascal. Folks, you might see it laying here. This is my father's Model 99 Savage. He was given this gun by my grandparents when he graduated high school. I'm dedicating this season to him. This is the first animal I've ever taken with this gun, and this is the first animal of my season this year. So all I can say, Hayward, do they get much bigger than this down here? I know they do.
They get some bigger, but that's a good hog.
It's a nice size hog.
And I bet the first thing you thought of tonight was your dad.